How to set an alarm for a specific day on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the clock application on your phone. This clock app includes features like alarms, a world clock, a stopwatch, and a timer. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Alarms. Over here, you can view all of your set alarms. You can also set multiple alarms with custom labels, sounds, and repeat schedules. For example, specific days of the week. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. You can add an alarm from here. Firstly, set the time of your alarm. Then, select the frequency of the alarm. For example, every Monday. You can also go to Sound to change the sound of the alarm. And lastly, choose if you want to turn on or off the snooze button. Once you're done, tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, this alarm will only go off on Mondays. Following these steps, you can easily set an alarm for a specific day on iPhone.